Question 9. The diagram above shows a sketch of the curves y equals x squared plus 4 and y equals 12 minus x squared. Find the area of the region bounded by the two curves. So the area it means, if you just draw the curves without the axes, it's the area of the region in this centre bit where it's enclosed by the boundaries of the two curves. So what we need to work out are the two x values to start with. So we need the points of intersection. Okay, so let's write that over here. X squared plus 4 needs to be equal to 12 minus x squared. So we can solve that by doing a little bit of moving terms around. We get 2 lots of x squared on that side. We'll get an 8 over there. That gives us x squared is 4, and that gives us x is plus or minus 2. Okay, so let's pop those up there. Now we need to work out the area. So if we integrate the x squared plus 4 curve, we're going to get this bit under the lower curve. Okay. If we integrate 12 minus x squared between our limits, we'll get all of this area. So we need one answer minus the other. Now you can do it as two separate integrations, or you can do the algebra sort of combining before you do the integrating step. Either way will work, either way is absolutely fine. Okay, so if I do it combining just to show how that would look, you need to make sure you start with the curve that's forming the top boundary. So I'm going to write 12 minus x squared, take away x squared plus 4. dx. Okay, and then we'll tidy up the algebra before we do any integrating. So 12 minus x squared minus x squared, and then a minus, a plus turns into a minus 4, which gives us the integration of 8 minus 2x squared. Okay, so that's probably a bit easier to do the integration for. As I said, if you want to do two separate integrations, that's absolutely fine. So as we integrate, nothing tricky about the actual integrating step. We're just integrating and putting in our limits. Just be careful with the minus signs. So that would give us, let's have a look. So 2 times 8 over 3 is just 16 thirds, and 16 minus 16 thirds is 32 thirds. So first bracket is 32 thirds. Then we've got 8 lots of negative 2, take away 2 lots of negative 2 cubed over 3. Just be careful there. So within that bracket, it's a minus 32 over 3. Obviously, then a minus can be a plus. And then finally, we've got our answer, 64 over 3 units squared if you want a unit, but you don't need it.